I think I see the cigar. I don't know if you can see it. And that's really clear, but I don't know if it still is. Now it's changing. Hello, little kitty. Those birds. Really weird. They just keep making that same sound over and over. It just seems like so much is going on in the background. It's really hard to stay calm and peaceful. Everything's there to just piss you off and make you want to go berserk. Mostly people talking. I probably should shut the hell up. Trees are looking fierce.